Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our subject is math and the class is grade 1. Today our topic is big and small objects. Would you like to know the difference between big and small? Okay then. When we compare objects based on their sizes, we get big and small objects. Here we have some examples. Look at this picture. Here are two boxes. Are they of the same size? No, they are of the different sizes. Here in this picture, one box is big and the other one is small. Oh wow, here are two flowers. Are they of the same size? No, they are of the different sizes. Pink flower is big and the red one is small. Oh wow, here is a car and a bicycle. Now students, you tell me, are they of the same size? No, very good. They are of the different sizes. Can you tell me which one is big and which one is small? Yes, the car is big and the bicycle is small. Very good. In the next picture, here is a truck and a skateboard. Are they of the same sizes? No, they are of the different sizes. Can you tell me which one is big and which one is small? Yes, the truck is big and the skateboard is small. Very good. Hope you understand. Okay students, here I have put some examples and you have to solve by yourself. And after doing these examples, you will be able to solve countdown books page number 11 and 12. Hope you all will do well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.